Hey, what is up everyone? This is Maz from Mr. Motor. Let's start the video after rolling this intro. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my another video. In this video, I'm gonna review the 50 watt 12 volt LED light. Believe me guys, it is very powerful and very bright. It may damage your eyes. Now let me check its price. Actually, I buy it from Pakistan. So Pakistan, it cost me around 50 rupees, but let me convert it to US dollars. It is almost $0.30, almost 30 cents, very cheap. If we talk about its build quality, it is very nice. You can buy it from online or offline. I recommend you to buy it from offline market because it can cost you very cheap. As you can see, it has two connecting plates, one for positive and another for negative. So now let me take you to the inside world of this LED. Now I'm gonna use this magnifying glass from which you can see clearly. As you can see, there are many dots in LED. These are the main things on this giant LED which emit a large amount of light. Now it's time to test it. So for testing, I'm using my custom built power supply. Let me set it to the 12 volt or 12.5 volt. And now I will attach the alligator clips. Don't use this LED with external heatsink or fan because it will get damaged. Now let me show you how bright is this thing. Warning, please wear laser or sunglasses because it is very powerful. It may damage your eyes and glasses will provide a protection to your eyes. Now I am not going to run this LED without a heatsink. Just let me show you for a few seconds that how bright it is. Now let me introduce to another thing. This is the same LED with external heatsink. I attach this heatsink, use a thermal grease or a paste to attach with it because without thermal grease or a paste, your heatsink or your LED is useless. It provides a contact between both to conduct the heat. Don't apply too much thermal paste. A little bit of a thermal paste is enough for this LED. Now let me run this LED so you can see its power consumption at live. So as you can see, at 12.5 volt it is consuming 1.46 ampere. So as you know, according to Ohm's law, current and the voltage are both directly proportional to each other. If you reduce current, the voltage will also reduce. If you reduce voltage, current will reduce. You can also increase or decrease its brightness by changing the voltage. Now I will tell you another thing. It is very important thing that if you want to use it continuously, so you should apply a heatsink. But if you want to use it for a more time, you should attach an external fan or a water cooling system. Now from this thermometer, I will show you that how much its temperature will gain. Now I will fast forward the video so you can change the temperature and the slowly rate current rating. So this will prove that you should use an external fan or a big heatsink if you want to use it continuously. So here I am ending my video. So if you like this video, so do subscribe, or if you haven't subscribed, so subscribe my channel. Hurry. Now I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.